no place I'd rather be.
Hi guys, welcome back to Taral Stories and it's your Alekia. So today we came to Mangrove Forest. I am really excited. So last time when I came to Pondicherry, I didn't go to this place and this time for sure I tried and made it happen. So this place is like 5 kilometers from Pondicherry. We are going inside the Mangrove Forest. You have to walk a little bit. So while you walk, there is a shopping area where you have lot of handcraft stuff. They're making carpets or wooden crafts, toys especially, and glass painting and what lanterns, everything. They have almost everything they have covered. I'll show in detail. So I'm really impressed by the way they are doing. They are really doing a hard work. So I try to pick few items for Nutch, especially the woodcraft which they are making and which are toys actually. And yes, if you are here, you can also buy few items. It would be helpful for them. And yes, now let's talk about mangrove forest. So this is the largest one and it's in Pondicherry, and see how this experience is. I'm really excited. I want to click a lot of pictures here. So let's go and enjoy.
There's no place I'd rather be.
கீழே வச்சு ஒரு கால் போச்சுன்னா இந்த ரூப் வந்து இங்க போகும்.
ஓகே
போயிட்டு இப்படி வரும். அது வந்து நம்மளால அடிக்கிறதுல முடியாது. வீட்டில் இருந்தா ஜென்ஸ் அப்படின்னு செய்யணும்.
இப்போ இது ஒரு த்ரெட், அந்த ஒயிட் ஒரு த்ரெட், ரெண்டு சேர்த்து இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டைலா டிஃபரெண்டா பண்ணோம்னா அது மாதிரி டிசைன் மாதிரி போட்டு இந்த ஃப்ளோர் மேட், கார்பெட் எல்லாம்
எல்லாமே இதுதான் பண்றோம்.
ஊல என்ன மெட்டீரியல் இது?
காட்டன் தான்.
காட்டனா?
இது காட்டன் தான் எல்லாமே.
ஆஹா,
போயிட்டு
ஓகே.
ஒரு தரப்பு உள்ள போகும். நம்ம இழுத்து அதுக்குள்ள குடிக்கணும் தான். குடிச்சுதான்
definitely you have to try this. There are a lot of products: woodcraft, glass painting, and shell shop, and also you have like paper products. So this one Anvita has taken for Nutch. Yeah, definitely he'll throw it, but again we tried to get one. So they actually make it here. So I'll show you how they make it.
There's no place I'd rather be. And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If
they do is a handmade, and she is one of the member who painting. So she does painting, and there are other people who do it. So it's really nice doing hand stuff, handcraft and all. So they are lovely, and especially a lot of toys for kids. So you can get few for your kids if you have.
Here with me, I'm incomplete. You're what I need. You're the reason I will find my way. Without you, I'm lost, blinded by turns. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be honest together. Close to me, that's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be honest together.
We are in the middle of the boat ride, and look how amazing it is. You have to go through the forest and you have to stay in the boat. It's really nice. The experience is really nice. Damn, you have to try this. You have to come to this. So I'll click a lot of pictures as possible.
அப்படியா? எந்த மாதிரி போச்சு?
Was one beautiful experience we had. So when you are in Pondicherry, so you should definitely come to mangrove forest. And I think this is the one of the largest mangrove forest, and it's in Pondicherry. They charged actually they charge 250 per person if you're coming in a group like large number 6 or 7. But right now for 3 people they charged $1,000, which is more. But again, the experience is totally worth it. And while coming back, there is a place called Arikemedu Fort. They wanted us to show that, but because we wanted to try more things outside, so we didn't go. We didn't want to waste time over there. So if you want to go there, also you can go there. Usually people do photo shoot and all. It's like how many 1,000 years? 2,000 years back fort. So you can go definitely check that out. So these people are really nice. They showed us everything. So yes, how did you feel?
Yeah, the experience was totally worth it, and yeah, so definitely a place you must check out. Amazing guys, they showed us each and everything. They were very patient, and the best part is like these guys. One good thing is I speak local language, so that kind of fetched because these people they're not really comfortable talking other languages, but that is okay. Premium, but that's totally fine.
So preferred time would be like after 9 till 11 o'clock, and then later maybe after 3 o'clock till 5 o'clock, because in the mid of the afternoon you feel a lot of hot. I mean, you might burn your skin, so just be careful before you come.
You're close to the shore, so be aware of the humidity. I think we're already catching up a lot of suntan, and I don't know it's for the good or the worst. I think there's a lot of catching up to do once I'm back to Hyderabad. So we're just heading back now to the car and then maybe move forward. So I'll over to Alekia.
Bye bye. See you in next vlog, and yes, please do not forget to subscribe and also like this video. So that's all. I'm gonna end this vlog here, and that's it. Bye bye.